today, a package arrived like 2 weeks ago. And
We didn't do it.
And finally we're doing it. Hold on, you messed up. So here we have crystals, and it's a crystal growing experimental kit.
Okay.
And there's a bunch of crystals.
So we're going to take it out, and then we'll be right back to show what's in there, right? Should we read the warning on the outside?
Yes, let's do that. Warning, choking hazard. Small parts not for children under 3 years. This set contains chemicals that may be harmful if misused. Read cautions on individual containers carefully. Not to be used by children except under adult supervision. And it says for ages over 10. But our dad is going to be helping us. So let's get started.
Excited.
I'm really excited.
1 minute.
So we are going to go in and download digital instruction app in App Store or Google Play.
Let me count them for you.
Google Play, we have it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And there is 7 crystals in this whole set.
I want that one. I want the pink one. I want the purple one.
Entire container of one.
Here's all the supplies. Can you explain the supplies?
So
Wait, let me.
this is crystal powder, I think.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the solution. These are called the seeds. So these are what are going to make the crystals grow.
Seeds.
And then these are pigments to change the colors of the crystals.
You can
This is your
mix
solution mixing container. And then this is where you'll
your
dump in the solution to grow your crystals.
Your dishes.
This
This
is
is
the
the stir.
stir stick. And
Measuring device for the pigments.
Right.
Not sure what those are either.
these, you lay the crystals on top. Yeah. So, Dad is going to do the hot water part for us because he says it would burn my face off.
That is literally what you said.
All right, so you get the water to a rolling boil, and then you need to do 200 milliliters of water. So we're going to do 2 separate containers because we're going to do enough for everyone to have a crystal. So you do 200 milliliters in this plastic container provided, and we're also going to do 200 in this to mix it. And
Okay.
it's got a mark on here to get it to. Okay. Carefully carry these over here. Good job, Hannah.
Everyone sit at your own chair that you decided
Okay.
designated to yourself.
Now you take.
Dad, yes, I'm on Hannah's chair.
Come over here, sweetie.
Can I pour that in?
Just be careful. These are very hot.
Can I pour
Yes.
one in? Can I pour
This is very hot, so be
Which
careful.
one? This one?
Yep.
It's not enough for everybody to put one.
There's other stuff to pour.
Yeah, we'll all be doing stuff.
Can I
Okay?
pour one of these in?
Yes.
Yes, Levi. Come around here.
Here. This is all we need right here, Levi.
And then girls, you'll be doing the color part in your own crystals.
Okay. Pour that one into this one. Hurry. We gotta do it while it's still hot. Okay.
Do we stir or anything?
Yep. Now
Okay,
we'll take
girls
that,
can
not-
stir.
Flip it over.
The one I
Girls
There you
can
go.
stir.
Stir.
Girls didn't get to do something
Yep.
yet.
But be very careful, girls. Go ahead. Okay, then, yeah. Don't touch. Just stir, okay? Like this. I know. I'm just showing you how, okay? You want to do that?
You need to listen. We talked about this.
Here. Then get your hand on it and let's stir together. We're going to be very careful. I'm going to help you girls because this is boiling water, okay? what we need to do.
How long do we stir?
So we'll stir it until it's dissolved. Just a minute, Hannah. You're getting too rough.
Kaden, you want to let Levi have a turn stirring? Yep. Careful not to splash that in your eyes.
Okay, let me see, girls. Let go. Let go,
Do you need a spoon instead of a knife?
No.
Just make sure it's dissolved. Stay at the bottom. Is this the large crystals?
Yes. Leave the lid off. So we're going to have to pour it in there. Okay. Kaden, can you go set the timer for 15 minutes?
Yes, I can.
Now we let the water cool for 15 minutes. And then we can add in the crystal seeds.
Ready?
Yep.
Am I having my crystal seeds?
Yep, not yet though.
Okay, it started.
Okay, now let's let it sit, Levi.
Okay, so now we let it sit for 15 minutes.
Yep, 15 minutes.
I'm going to show you what these pieces are for. So, in about a week, your crystals are going to start growing. So it's perfect because we started on Saturday. So tomorrow we will count it as day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and day 6, day 7. And so we will end on Saturday, and in about that much time, you will start, the crystals will be growing, and once they grow, you dump out the extra solution, rinse the crystal off very carefully, and put it on the lid, and then put this on. And then your crystal has grown.
That's neat.
Okay, so once the solution has cooled a little, it still needs to be warm, but not too cold. You're going to take and you're going to evenly pour it into the containers. So you've got to make sure you can split it between all 4 containers.
It's alright, buddy. We'll pick you up in a minute. Careful, Hannah.
That's how we attach. Fast. Boing, boing. It's buddy. Boing. Boing. We're not going to have enough. I have one.
Okay. We're also going to do our large container here.
You have a big head too, buddy.
Let's make sure we get this stuff towards all mixed into the solution. Okay. And now we let this settle for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Make sure you don't bump it. Make sure you don't do anything. It's got to settle. Okay, there's a few different color choices you can do. We can do red, blue, white, purple, pink, light blue, and I'm sure you could mix to, determine whatever other colors you want. Levi decided he wants white, so what we're going to do to make white
Really?
is, yep,
Even though blue's your favorite color?
Blue.
Yeah.
White
Okay.
is really every color.
okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to add 1 scoop of white
Okay, he's gonna do this part,
into
right?
yours, yep. Okay. So So let's do it into this one here, okay? Careful not to spill. Got it? Okay, now you just gotta sprinkle it over top, like this. Haley wants pink.
I think
Okay.
I'm gonna choose.
So we're gonna make pink by adding white and red, okay?
So this one will be yours, okay?
Should I make the final on crystal?
No, Mom's choosing that color. Okay.
What color's gonna be the family crystal?
So Haley wants pink, so this one calls for a half a scoop of red.
Go ahead, Haley.
Ready?
No.
Okay, and half a scoop.
And we don't stir it or we do stir
We
it?
don't stir.
Okay. Don't stir on this part.
Okay.
And here's
Purple.
half a scoop of white. Okay.
Pink.
And she's done?
Yep.
Good job. All right, Kaden, your turn.
Let me see here.
So are we looking for here?
All the colors are the same, doesn't matter.
Hannah, are you about ready to do yours? Are you going to choose
Up,
purple?
down. Hannah knows her color.
I'm gonna do red.
You want red.
Okay. His is going to be here.
Blue.
You're going to
You
do
want
blue? Blue will be cool.
Light blue.
Light blue.
Okay. So for light blue,
Haley's is already turning color.
That's cool.
okay. And
White. Cool.
half a scoop of white.
You going to change your mind, Levi? You want a different color?
We'll do this one, whatever color you want, alright? Okay, hop down. Hannah's turn. You want purple, Hannah?
Yeah.
Okay, purple, we're going to do half a scoop of red and half a scoop of blue. Just a minute. I'm going to help you because we've got to... Right here.
Okay, Haley, back up so I can see Hannah doing hers.
And
Thanks.
half a scoop of blue.
I wonder what that's gonna look like.
There.
Well, what if Levi did 2 scoops of blue in his? And then we could do a white for the family crystal.
Well, the problem is you only want to do 1 scoop total in for the crystal seed on small.
Oh.
So he has to do white. So we can do this one a different color if we want. Let's do this one a dark blue because we've
Yeah.
done all the other colors but dark blue.
So we did purple,
Do we have
pink.
blue?
Well,
Dark
we only
blue.
need to do 1 scoop. Oh wait, let's see here.
On the big one,
We
it's
need 4
different.
scoops. Yeah.
Can I put them myself?
What about blue and purple on the big one?
Oh yeah.
So
Well, you can. Yeah. It's blue and red, so we'll just have to
Can
mix
we
it how you
all-
want.
Do 3 blues and 1 red.
3 blue and 1 red. Okay.
So
can
it's
we all
more.
do one? Can we all do one? Because it's 4.
Yeah.
So next is Hannah.
Here, Hannah. Ready? Okay.
Why have to be loud?
I'm sorry. At least you get to do it.
Be grateful you get to do it. You gotta do
Okay,
red.
So
though,
3
baby.
blues and 1 red. Would that be cool?
Yeah. So it's gonna be a super purple.
And then I think there's leftover and we can do medium crystals.
Yep.
Later.
Where's the medium
Do I
stuff
purple?
We put it in the box.
It's dark purple.
Okay, now we can't touch them. They've got to sit like this for 15 hours. Okay?
No touching.
Yep, they've got to sit for 15 hours with no touching. But we can come back and check on them.
Yeah.
And
we
they
can-
said in about 2 hours you should start to see
Ooh, it's
crystal formations.
in there.
Okay?
Crystal formations.
I already see one.
You might be able to see them.
Yeah, it's Caden that's making the crystal formation.
Ooh, that one's gonna be so cool.
Okay, now, important step.
Everyone, we
We gotta
cannot touch this.
Wash hands, okay?
Oh yeah, and
Stop!